Happy birthday to my distinguished gentleman, Evol Green. Happy birthday to the love of my life. Today I give thanks to Almighty God for the precious gift of your life. What a blessing it is to walk this journey with you. Life is more beautiful, more meaningful, and more joyful because I get to share it with you. Evol, you're aging like a fine Malbec wine, smooth, rich, and full of character, only becoming more exquisite with time. Each year adds another layer of wisdom, strength, and grace to the man I love. May this year overflow with countless blessings. May God's favor surround you, His joy fill your days, and His peace guard your heart. I love you. Enjoy your day because you remain my distinguished gentleman. Happy birthday, my honey bun.